Hi everyone, welcome to Sabre Virtual Demo, our brief videos explaining different features of Business Central and related products. In this episode, we're going to look at Outlook integration in Business Central. So we're logged in as Molly Clark, and let's really quickly just show you how you would set up Outlook integration with Business Central. So I'm going to go to the Settings and Assisted Setup. I'm going to scroll down to set up your business inbox in Outlook. Now I've already done this, but I'll repeat it. So the first step is this is going to set up your Office add-ins inside your Outlook. So you hit Next. You ask, do I want to set up for my whole organization or my mailbox? I'll just do my mailbox. You hit Next. You say send a sample message, and you're done. So that is the entire process. It will now connect to your Office Online, and it will send you a quick email. Now, this requires you to have an Office 365 account, obviously, for it to be this simple. If you are using an on-prem Exchange account, for instance, I don't believe it would work nearly as well. So let me open up my Outlook on this computer. And I have a couple of emails on my inbox. I'll just click on the first one here. And there we go. We have an inbox email that came in from my Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Let's just show you what this is going to do. So I have something called a contact insight that's being added to my Outlook ribbon. So I'm going to click on that. I'll close this reminder. And I have already authenticated to Business Central, but all I had to do is put my username and password in earlier. And now what it's done is it's cross-referenced this particular user, this email address, Adatum Corporation, and it's recognized that as a contact from the company, customer 10,000 Adatum, and it's showing me on the screen information and statistics directly from that customer from Business Central. So what I'll do is I'll do a new sales quote because the customer in this example email has sent me a couple of examples or lists of items that they might want. So I'll do a new sales quote. And what's happening now is Microsoft's using artificial intelligence to look through the email that I was sent and see if it can match the contents of the email with items in my lists and put in quantities. So I'll just select those two and click OK. And I will have, in a second, a sales quote. So there's my sales quote. I have my items. I can do something like, I'll change the unit price of them. I'll make this one $350 and this one $275. And what it's done, it also added this one section, guest section 1. I'm going to delete that line because I don't think that was on my original order, and because I don't see guest section 1 here, but I get my London swivel chair and my Antwerp conference table, perfect, and I have a subtotal, etc. What I will do now is I will email that. So let's send by email. And without leaving Outlook, I'm going to have a email open up to the contact because I was emailed from a contact with the sales quote quoted attached to it as a PDF, which I can double click and take a look at. If you remember from our Word form modification training, these sales quote styles and designs are all easily editable with Word to make them different and change the fonts, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Please follow our channel by clicking here, or click here for the next great video. We look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.